isn't it? So there are two understanding in science. One is called Newtonian physics, and second is quantum physics. And Newtonian physics, then there's Einstein's theory of relativity and quantum physics. Okay. So Newton discovered the gravitational force, okay, momentum. Okay, when an object moves, it will continue to move until some force is applied. Right? That means very, very predictable laws of the universe, Newton said. Very predictable. If you know what the mass, the weight of some fruit, and it falls to the ground, how much time it will take, everything is predictable. It's an equation you can put. Mathematical precision, right? Predictability. Clear? So our Rishi said, there's a very predictable in your life. If you put your horoscope, you will do exactly as per that, because your life is predictable. That's what he said. Because you are nothing but operating at the Newtonian physics level, object level. You are practically an object. Even though you think you are a free will or something, for our astrologers, you are nothing but an object moving in cosmos. Unlike a gravitational force or something, unlike Earth or something where you put a mathematical equation, so you put an equation which is in the astrology, which say this person here now, this will happen to him, this will happen to him. It's very, very predictable, and that predictability becomes of karma. Your life is very, very predictable, because what happened in the past will determine the future. What happens in the future will determine the future. Karma means continuity of memory, impressions. Understand?
Karma in Newton's law, which law does it?
Wait. Karma means, karma for you in Newton's law, there's objects are moving with a mathematical equation from universal, what I call universal laws apply, gravitational force. In human beings, law of karma applies. Okay, law of karma is nothing but works because of your impressions. Okay, so you start recording some impressions of everything: object, subject, experience, good experience, bad experience. These experiences will determine your future course of life. You'll never take a break from the experience, will you? Will you take any break? Till come up, deep sleep, come up, and again you start, right? So karma is nothing but continuity of memory is called karma. Continuity of impression is called karma. We don't ever discontinue. Okay. So the ego, I'll tell you what is ego next class, next session. Ego, its only job is to continue, keep the past and future as continuous in the present. Ego makes life predictable. Past should determine the future. That's the job of ego. We don't want any uncertainty in life. We want certainty in life. We want that certainty comes from your impressions, memories, records, which are not real anyway, because it's a snapshot. You are holding on to your past. You are projecting a future based on the past, and you are trying to live that life. That's why we are in a karmic cycle, which will continue forever. Why it will continue forever? Many people say, I don't believe in karma theory and all. Okay, reality is the matter or energy cannot be destroyed as per science. Energy cannot be destroyed, matter cannot be destroyed. They can only change the shape. So what was energy? It became matter. What was matter became energy. When what became matter, you record something and got stored in energy in the form of information. This information and energy comes back again in different form. That's why we say Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Janvi Jatashanam. Again and again birth takes place. For whom? Huh?
For the one who is recording.
For the one who is recording. And the one who is recording is not real. Then we'll find out that way later. Okay. So continuously the energy takes the form of matter. Matter, there's some experience, subject-object experience. Subject-object experience get recorded as information, and information becomes matter again, appears again. Matter, energy transformation happens. But when it becomes matter, the laws are frozen. The law of gravity, law of cosmos are all very frozen and very predictable. So when you have taken the form of matter, when you call yourself body, all your laws are frozen. That's called karmic laws. Is that relationship clear? Newtonian physics and Newtonian physics is related to duality, Advaita, because everything appears as object. Now, objectified. Right? That was about 4 centuries back. Then, early in the 20th century, quantum physics came into picture. In quantum physics, everything is uncertain. In Newtonian physics, everything is certain. In quantum physics, everything is uncertain. Newtonian physics, everything is predictable. In quantum physics, everything is unpredictable. It's a probability. It's quite opposite. What appears as solid, if you look at it, what are you? You look at a solid, 60 kg, 70 kg. You may say, no, I'm weighing 75 kg. I'm trying to reduce weight also. But if you look at very closely, what you are is nothing but a bundle of atoms and molecules. You look at the atoms and molecules, you're nothing but subatomic particles. If you look at subatomic particles, what is that? You are nothing but energy changing matter. So what are you? What are you? It's only, I have to take only electron microscope to see you. That's all. I'm only seeing you energy. But for your husband, you will look a beautiful wife. At least he'll say so. For the purpose of recording message. So. For a scientist, you are nothing but a bundle of energy. That's all. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. For a scientist, you are a beautiful energy pattern. That's all what you are.
He also tell his wife when you're
That's what I'm saying. Others, how will you going to survive? Okay. So, at the quantum level, at the Newtonian physics level, so I was telling the Newtonian physics. In Newtonian physics, everything is predictable. Okay. At the subatomic particle, everything is unpredictable. Quite opposite. In Newtonian physics, time, space, relativity, everything is predictable. Equation you can put. In Newtonian physics, at the quantum physics, atomic level, energy level, everything is unpredictable. Time cannot be, time is not there, space is not there, as we know. Okay. And gravity is also not there, as we know. Time can be reversed there. Everything can be happening ulta. Okay. Here, cause and effect is there in the physical world. In the subatomic quantum world, time and space can be reversed. Cause can come before the effect. Right? So who are you? Who do you think you are? You are nothing but a bunch of banana which is coming from mud, and a rotten banana which will go to the mud after some time. That's all what you are.
uncertain.
Huh?
Uncertain.
At the physical level, everything is predictable. That's why we say karmic laws are very fixed. Law of karma will operate. Huh?
But describe that so nicely.
Okay. So what you are is no. What happens between eating and shitting? That's what you are. Eating, not me, is banana. After eating, banana becomes me. After shitting, not me. The body is like that only, made of food element. Correct? At Newtonian level, everything is predictable. At subatomic level, energy. Are we clear? So, who are you depends on who sees you. For husband, you are a beautiful wife. Okay. For a physicist, you are nothing but bones and blood and some chemicals. Or for a doctor. Okay. For a scientist, you are nothing but atoms, molecules, and bundle of energy. But that bundle of energy, your husband has to call a beautiful wife. What to do? It's his fate.
We call beautiful energy.
Beautiful energy pattern. But of course, all husbands know the energy pattern changes in the morning, afternoon, evening, it changes also. I know. It takes the form of Lakshmi Durga Saraswati, morning to evening. I know. This is called energy, is called Shakti. Is it clear? At subatomic level, everything is a possibility. At quantum level. Okay? Everything is a probability. At physical level, everything is a certainty. Now, what are you in between? So, all karmic laws will apply. You can't escape karmic law and you come to probability. And you come to certainty. But if you go to quantum world, then operate, the certainty and the physical level can change. This is called what we call as grace or synchronicity. Otherwise, you are like an object moving in the cosmos. Object moving, very predictable. Law of karma is applying. But from conscious level, if it comes there, right? So you can change the movement of this object. From consciousness level, which is quantum level, if you come down, look at the object here. That level, consciousness level or quantum level, there is no loss. All loss can be reversed. Everything can be changed. In physical level, there's nothing can be changed. All are predictable. So from that, in that level, the matter is in a flux movement. So that is used to change something here. It's called grace. Synchronicity. So in the physical world, everything is cause and effect. From quantum world to physical world, everything is causeless. Cause and effect don't work. That's why grace is causeless. The mercy is causeless. Synchronicity is causeless. The divine intervention is causeless in that sense. That cause the quantum world, we call it as Ishvara. Anything is possible, everything is possible there. That is at a very causal state. And at physical state, the same Ishvara is called Virat Purusha. Appears as an object in the universe. So the light behaves in two ways, as waves and particles. The moment you look at the wave, it becomes a particle. That means it becomes solidified. Other is wave. At wave level, all possibilities open up. At particle level, you are frozen. At wave level, it's a field of possibility. That's called Ishvara or quantum field. At particle level, it's called matter or Virat. The one
out of law of karma, then anything is possible.
Who is that out? I out of karma.
If the energy pattern is moving out of law of karma, it operates at a totally different.
Okay. Is this understood so far what I said? Did you understand?
With quantum, you move towards subject.
In the quantum field is a field of possibilities.
Because you move toward your subject.
Yeah, the moment you observe anything in the quantum field, it becomes objectified. Then it becomes frozen law.
Correct.
If you don't observe, it remains as a possibility. The moment you observe, it becomes certainty.
Not observation from him.
Not observing is Brahman. He knows he's very safe.
That is Sharanagati.
Already, So is it clear now? So far it's clear? Can you stop? Nothing is clear? What did you understand? Huh?